Hi, this is Jeffrey with Website Web Hosting Services. In this tutorial, you will learn how to open your hosting account and create an email inbox. To create an email account, you need to log in to your hosting account. To do that, go to https://websitewebhostingservices.com. That is website web hosting services, all one word, .com. On any page at website web hosting services.com, in the top right, there is a user login icon. Click on it. When you click on user login, the window that opens will look like this. In the username field, enter the username you used when you set up your account. In the password field, enter the password you created to access your hosting account. Once you have entered your username and password, click on Log In. The next window you see will be your Control Center dashboard. It might not look exactly like this. It will be very similar. Find the icon labeled Mail and click on it. The window that opens is your email account's dashboard. Once you have created one or more email accounts, you will find each listed here. In a future tutorial, we will review the information you have access to through the email accounts screen, as well as the features that you can change. For now, our focus is on creating an email account. To do that, click on Create a New Email Account. The Add a Mailbox screen opens. Notice the domain name bigbirdnest.com. If you are hosting only one domain, that domain name will populate this field. Notice the red arrow pointing to a tiny black arrow. If you are hosting multiple domains, clicking on that drop-down arrow will produce a list of the hosted domains you can choose from. By clicking on the domain name you want to create an email account for, it will populate this field. Now it is time to name your email. You can give it any name you want so long as it is not one already in use. For example, if you already have an inbox at bigbirdnest.com named Bob, you could not create a second Bob at bigbirdnest.com. For our example, let's create an email address for the sales department. We'll call it Sales. This means you could list on your website, contact the sales department, sales at bigbirdnest.com. Next is creating the password. When it comes to creating a password, you can create your own or have the system generate a password for you. If you choose to create your own password, a minimum of 8 characters is required. Of those 8 characters, one must be a number. As you enter your password, the colored bar below the password field will change from red to yellow to green as your password gets stronger. Another way to create a strong password is to have the system generate one for you. If you click on the Generate Password tab, the system will create a strong password. Whether you create the password or the system does, it is a good idea to keep a list of your passwords someplace safe. As the hosting account manager, if you or one of your users ever forgets a password, there is a way to reset it from the account dashboard. Note, No administrator has access to any passwords. Administrators can only reset a password for a user. By reset, it means the system will generate a new password and email it to the user with instructions to log on and replace the system-generated password with either one they create or another system-generated password. This is for security. Allows you to forward emails sent to the email account you just created to another email address. When you click on the forward checkbox, the screen opens where you can either enter an address to have emails to the account you are creating forwarded to. For example, if you want sales@bigbirdnest.com forwarded to your Gmail account, type your Gmail email address in the forward to field. You also have the option of saving a copy of forwarded emails in the inbox of your new email account. If that is what you want to do, then click on the box next to Save a Copy. Size limit refers to the amount of data that your new email account can hold. As a rule of thumb, if I am forwarding email and not saving a copy, I reduce the size limit to 0. If I will be saving a copy or not forwarding email, I reduce the size limit to 100 megabytes, 100 MB. If you are getting close to hitting your storage limit, you will receive an alert. You can then decide to delete old, outdated email, or you can increase your size limit at that time. If you are going to be creating another email account after you complete this one, check the Create Another Mailbox right after block. Then, when you click on Add a Mailbox, all fields will clear and you will have a clean form to create another mail account. If you will not be immediately creating another email account, click on Add a Mailbox. The email account will be created and you will be back to your dashboard. By the way, every function associated with your hosting account has a list of help topics. For additional assistance with creating a mail account, click on the Help button. When you do, a list of topics will open. Each is specifically related to the function you are working on. Whether for business or hobby, to market products and services, or create a family tree, we want to see you succeed. Please do not hesitate to reach out to us for assistance.